In a certain AP, 5 times the fifth term is equal to 8 times the eighth term. Find the 13th term. We are given with 5 times the fifth term. So 5 times A5 is equal to 8 times A8. We know that the formula for nth term is A plus n minus 1d. Fifth term can be written as A plus 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 4d. Similarly, eighth term can be written as A plus 7d. And if we simplify this equation, we get 5a plus 20d equals 8a plus 56d. Isolating all the terms on one side, we get 8a minus 5a plus 56d minus 20d equals 0, which simplifies to 3a plus 36d equals 0. Here we see that 3 is a common factor among 3a and 36d. So we can divide throughout by 3. So we will get a plus 12d equals 0. And what do we wanted to find? We wanted to find the 13th term. What will be the formula for 13th term? It will be a plus 12d, and which we got equals 0. Therefore, the 13th term is equal to 0.